What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today I'll be doing vlogs with my dogs part 2, or let's just say this is the second episode. This, right? Well, my puppy really demolished this place. Okay, so we found one puppy. What's up? Hi, puppy. Ah. So this, he doesn't have a name yet. You guys tell me in the comments what I should name him. And yeah. I'm gonna look for my other dog. Hi, Dixon. Here. Hi, Dixon. So this is my brother. You guys might not see him in a lot of videos.
Yeah, but I promise you guys I'll start being in more videos. It's just I'm pretty busy, and I just jumping on.
So we're gonna do vlogs. So we're gonna be vlogging with with Dixon and the puppy.
We used to have 3 dogs.
Yeah, but long story.
The part 1 we had it, right?
No, actually.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Hi, Dixon.
Lalan!
What? So is Lilin? That's his nickname.
Lalan.
Yeah.
Or Habaloba.
Abaluba. Oh yeah.
He says Habaloba.
Mom used to say that to him because he actually looks like one.
Yeah. Point the camera at me.
Okay. So guys, I actually have to leave. I'm gonna get a haircut. So bye guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye.